Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, February 26th. I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the monthly, I still think this is an A over here. I think this is three waves down, A, B, C, and wave B. I think we're in a wave C right now, and I think we're in a 1, 2, 3 of wave C. I still think it's going to take out this previous high before we get the bigger, longer correction, which is probably going to last like 6 months to 8 months, before we get another push up for the wave 5 of wave C. So keeping that in mind, let's head down to the weekly. On the weekly time frame is where I got my Fibonacci extension measuring the last impulse, projecting it off the bottom of the last corrective. And I do think there's a very good chance that this is going to keep on going up, but I'm definitely watching these Fibonacci extension levels for areas of resistance on shorter time frames, areas where we may start a pullback, which is great news for us, because at the end of pullbacks is where we can get long again for the continuation of the uptrend. Going down to the daily time frame, I mean, we are approaching the 123.6 level. Hopefully, it is going to be an area of resistance because, like I said, I'm personally looking for longs. I think we have a lot of upside potential, but in order for me to go long again, I need to see another proper pullback, another three-way pullback, another impulsive move up, especially on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I mean, ever since this last correction right here, it definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're probably in a wave 5 right now. So if it does go up and bounce off this 123.6 area, go down and break structure, that's when I would put my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move, and that's when I would start stalking this thing, looking for another A, B, C pullback for another entry to go long. Now, if you do trade the very short time frames, you could possibly short the end of a wave B and trade the wave C, and then exit your short at the end of the wave C and go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Or if you're more of a swing trader, you could just wait for the proper ABC to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we had a really nice entry to go long in the Asian session Monday, Sunday evening or Monday morning. We had a nice 1, 2, 3 pattern, nice impulsive up. Another very, very, very nice entry to go long. We've had some beautiful entries. 1, 2, 3 waves down, impulsive up, go long. 1, 2, 3 waves down, impulsive up, go long. 1, 2, 3 waves down, impulsive up, go long. So what am I currently doing? Well, currently I'm waiting for either another pullback or I'm waiting for that bigger pullback on the 4 hour time frame. But either way, I am definitely waiting for pullbacks patiently to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. I am for sure going to continue to look for longs until the higher time frames like the daily, weekly, and monthly tell me otherwise, which they definitely have not done so yet. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.